Hey guys, welcome back to my new video, and today I'm going to show a magical miracle life hack that can erase permanent marker ink, and it is only possible by this white marker. So let's see an example. Yes, but this can only happen when the substance is slippery. So this is our permanent marker. Here it's also written. So I'll make a cute smile. My drawing is not well. And it's not erasing as it's permanent marker, but it's white marker. So see. I traced it on it and it's erasing. I will trace it one more time so that it can erase very clearly. Boom! It's erased. So thank you for watching my video, and bye bye. And please reply in comment that how you like this video and rate me.